This is question number 6. We are asked to simplify y raised to the power of 3 divided by y raised to the power of 5. That's the first one. The second one is 7 times x raised to the power of 0. So let's solve the first question. Y raised to the power of 3 divided by y raised to the power of 5. This is y raised to the power of 3 divided by y raised to the power of 5. Now we know this formula, a raised to the power of m divided by a raised to the power of n is a raised to the power of m minus n. So this is going to be y raised to the power of 3 minus 5, which is y raised to the power of minus 2, which you can rewrite it as 1 over y squared. So therefore y raised to the power of 3 divided by y raised to the power of 5, which was written as y raised to the power of 3 divided by y raised to the power of 5, is 1 over y squared. So that's the solution for this question. Now the next question is B, 7 times x raised to the power of 0. Now what is this? Now we know that x raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. So this means 7 times of 1, which is equal to 7. So that's the solution for this question.